Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownie premix at home. Making your own brownie premix is a fantastic way to ensure you always have a delicious treat ready to go. We will start by gathering our core dry ingredients. You will need about 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Precision in measuring these components is key for a perfect brownie every single time. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients properly. In a large bowl, whisk together the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Don't forget to add about 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness and deepen the chocolate notes. For an extra indulgent touch, you can also mix in 1 cup of chocolate chips or chopped nuts at this stage. Once all your dry ingredients are perfectly combined, it's time for storage. Transfer your homemade brownie premix into an airtight container, such as a large jar or a sealed bag. This will keep it fresh for up to 3 months in your pantry. Don't forget to label it with simple baking instructions, like adding 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract when you are ready to bake. When you are ready for warm, fudgy brownies, simply add your wet ingredients to the premix. Combine 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract with the dry mix. Pour the batter into an 8 by 8 inch greased pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. This homemade premix offers incredible convenience and allows for endless customization, making every batch uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.